FBA Black Edition. FBA Black Edition. FBA Black Edition, how to create and successfully sell branded physical products by leveraging the power of Amazon's FBA program. FBA Black Edition is a highly detailed training course showing people how to build a profitable business working from home, creating and selling their own branded products on Amazon.com. The training is fully up to date for 2020 and includes 13 modules and over 100 videos showing people what to do in an easy-to-follow, step-by-step fashion. FBA Black Edition. Take a look at some of these wacky products currently selling on Amazon that bring in anywhere from $5K to $40K more in revenue per month for the sellers. Their Paws Shredder Claws. These essentially allow you to turn yourself into Wolverine from X-Men and shred your dinner meats apart with claws attached to your hands. If you're thinking, that sounds weird, and no one would buy that, think again. It's earning $41,375 per month in sales. And then there's tiny hands for your fingers. These are exactly what they sound like, tiny hands that you wear on the tips of your fingers. They're a bit creepy, if you ask me. And yet pulling in $11,382 per month for one seller. FreezerBoy Fridge Magnet. This makes your fridge look like a giant GameBoy that you can write on, and brings the seller $24,690 per month in sales. I think you get the point. There are literally dozens of similar examples, and these are products anyone can have produced quite easily and sell as their own brand. And the process is extremely simple. The reason I tell you this is to give you an idea of just how far and wide the opportunities are when it comes to selling your own product on Amazon. The opportunity is there. You just need to know how to get in on it. This is where the unique hybrid approach to product testing becomes crucial. FBA Black Edition. Fulfillment by Amazon. The system that I'm telling you about today is set up so that you don't need to reinvent the wheel or blindly test product ideas. Instead, it allows you to start and test with less than 50 units, saving you time, money, and eliminating close to all of the risk. You will know for sure that the product will make money before going into a full private label inventory order. Since most people look for the big dollar on Amazon, it is extremely easy to snatch up loads of product opportunities at $4,000, $6,000 a month each. You can set up just one if you want, or rinse, repeat, and stack up a few of them as you choose. With the training I'm recommending today, the system is so hands-off that you can keep your full-time job if you want, or pursue a new career you've always wanted to do but haven't because it doesn't pay much. Freedom, peace of mind, and financial security are what you gain here, regardless of how far you want to scale up your business. In fact, these guys will reveal how to use their proven 5-step method that predicts the demand and revenue numbers of any physical product, and also projects the exact profits that can be made from both paid and organic traffic with almost 100% accuracy. Identify wildly profitable products that have the potential to do 500 daily sales. After creating more than 100 best-selling products, they have this down to an art. Create products with an edge, which in turn will make it effortless to systematically scale them from $5 day to $500 day to $5,000 day. Rise above everybody else in the marketplace by going premium. People naturally think that if it's expensive, it's the best. You just make more money when you sell expensive stuff. And it requires zero previous experience. Take a look here to see exactly how this method is bringing in $13,349. FBA Black Edition. FBA Black Edition.